A brand new road ahead. You know, cars have come a long, long way. I've seen it all in my garage, believe me. Hi, I'm Bill James, Tech for Senior. From the earliest sputtering engines to the powerful machines of today. And now there's a new kid on the block, the electric car, or EV. It's really something different, a whole new way to think about driving. These aren't just golf carts anymore, folks. These are real, serious automobiles. They're quiet, they're smooth, and they're changing how we get around. It's an exciting time for anyone who loves cars, or even just needs a good, reliable ride for their daily errands and visits. Now, you might be a senior and you might think, Bill, is an EV really for me? And I say, why not? It's a great question to ask. Maybe you're not driving cross-country every week. Maybe you're looking for something comfortable and easy, something that doesn't make a lot of fuss. An electric car can be just that. It's about making life a little simpler, a little more convenient. It's also about looking ahead, thinking about the future of driving. These cars are packed with new ideas, and they can make your driving experience better than ever. Think about the kind of driving you do most often. Is it trips to the grocery store, visiting family, or maybe heading to a doctor's appointment? For many seniors, daily driving involves shorter distances. This is where EVs really shine, folks. You don't need a giant gas tank for that. An EV can handle all those local trips with ease. And the ride? Oh, it's smooth. No engine rumbling, just a quiet whoosh. It's a very calming experience, very relaxing. It makes just nipping out for some milk feel like a bit of a treat. So, we're talking about a new kind of car for a new chapter in life. It's about independence, staying mobile, and doing it in a way that's modern and smart. It's not just about keeping up with the times. It's about choosing a vehicle that truly suits your current lifestyle and needs. These electric vehicles are not as complicated as some might think. In many ways, they are simpler. It's a different kind of power, sure, but it's power that can work really well for many seniors out there looking for their next reliable car. Let's talk about convenience, because that's a big one for everyone. With an electric car, you can say goodbye to those regular trips to the gas station. Imagine that. No more standing out in the cold or the heat pumping gas. Instead, you can charge your car right at home, overnight, while you sleep. It's like plugging in your phone. You wake up, and your car is ready to go with a full tank of electricity. This is a huge plus, especially if getting out and about for every little thing feels like more of a chore these days. And what about saving money? This always gets people interested. Electricity, for the most part, costs less than gasoline to run your car. Think about your utility bill versus what you spend at the pump each month. Over time, those savings can really add up. Plus, governments often have incentives or tax credits to encourage people to buy EVs. So the initial price might seem a bit higher, but when you factor in fuel savings and potential rebates, the overall cost of owning an EV can be very attractive indeed. It's smart money, folks. Then there's the maintenance, or rather, the lack of it. Electric cars have far fewer moving parts than gasoline cars. There's no engine oil to change, no spark plugs to replace, no complex exhaust system to worry about. This means fewer trips to the mechanic and fewer bills for routine upkeep. That's less hassle and more peace of mind. For seniors who want a reliable car without constant tinkering or surprise repair costs, this is a massive benefit. It simplifies car ownership in a really significant way, making it less of a burden. The driving experience itself offers a unique kind of ease. EVs deliver instant torque, which means they accelerate smoothly and quickly from a stop. There's no lag, no jerking, just smooth power, and they are incredibly quiet. This can make for a much more relaxing and less stressful drive, especially in city traffic. For seniors who might find a noisy, vibrating engine a bit tiring, the serene cabin of an EV can be a welcome change. It allows for easier conversation and a more enjoyable journey, no matter how short. We all want to leave a better world for our kids and grandkids, right? Well, driving an electric car is a great way to contribute to that. EVs produce zero tailpipe emissions. That means no nasty fumes coming out the back, polluting the air we breathe. This is a big deal for our local air quality, especially in cities. By choosing an EV, you're helping to make your community a healthier place. It's a responsible choice, and it feels good to know you're making a positive difference every time you drive. It's a legacy of cleaner air. This commitment to the environment is something many people are thinking about more and more. It's not just about saving money, it's about doing our part. For seniors, it can be a wonderful way to show you care about the future. Driving an EV means you are actively reducing your carbon footprint. It's a tangible step towards a more sustainable lifestyle, and you get to enjoy all the other benefits of an EV at the same time. It's a win-win situation for you and for the planet we all share. It's a smart move for today and tomorrow. Now let's talk about how easy these cars can be to actually drive. Many EVs feature something called one-pedal driving. This means you can often speed up and slow down using just the accelerator pedal. When you lift your foot, the car automatically starts to slow down, and it even recaptures some energy to send back to the battery. It can take a little getting used to, sure, but many people find it makes driving smoother and simpler, especially in stop-and-go traffic. Fewer pedals to worry about can be a real plus. Inside the car, you'll often find big, clear touchscreens for controls and information. While new technology can seem daunting, these systems are often designed to be quite intuitive. Think of them like a big tablet computer. They can display navigation, music, and car settings in a very visible way. Many EVs also come with fantastic safety features like automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and parking assist, which can be incredibly helpful for senior drivers, providing an extra layer of confidence on the road. These features help make driving safer and less stressful. Okay, so you're interested, that's great. But you might have some questions or concerns. One common one is range anxiety, the fear of running out of battery power. For most seniors, especially if you're mainly doing local driving, today's EVs have more than enough range. Many models can go 200, 300, or even more miles on a single charge. Think about how far you usually drive in a day. Chances are an EV can handle it easily, especially with convenient home charging every night. It's less of a worry than you might think. Adapting to new technology can be a hurdle for some, and that's perfectly understandable. EVs do have new features like those touchscreens and the charging process. But don't let that scare you off. Car dealers are there to explain everything. Take your time during a test drive. Ask lots of questions. Many community centers or senior groups are even offering workshops on new car tech. Remember learning to use a smartphone? It might have seemed tricky at first, but now it's second nature for many. It's a learning curve, not a mountain. Here's some practical advice if you're considering an EV. First, do your homework. Read reviews and watch videos, of which there are many, on all makes and models. Make a list of what's important to you: range, size, comfort, features. Then, go test drive several different EV models, see how they feel. Pay attention to how easy it is to get in and out, visibility, and how the controls work. Think about home charging. Do you have a garage or driveway where you can install a charger? There are options, even for apartments sometimes. In conclusion, folks, electric vehicles offer a whole lot of benefits for seniors. They can save you money on fuel and maintenance. They're convenient to refuel right at home. They offer a smooth, quiet, and comfortable ride. Plus, you're doing something good for the environment. Yes, there's a little bit of new technology to learn, but the advantages can be well worth it. So if you're in the market for a new car, I really encourage you to take a serious look at an electric vehicle. It might just be the best car you've ever owned. I'm Bill James, Tech for Senior. Thanks for watching.